Second, plus B we have to write under B. Minus C is not there here, so I am writing separate minus C. I mean new column. BC also there is no column, so I am writing in the next column. Then we are going for the third expression. C I am writing here. AC I am writing separate, and A I am writing under A column. Now again we have to add it. When we have the opposite sign, we have to subtract. So 0 plus minus 0. AB nothing is there, so we have to write AB plus minus it becomes 0 plus BC AC. Now we have left out is, hence the sum is AB BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Now the third question, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Let us write, as I told you, let us write in the column wise. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Then we will start, we have to write under the same. So minus 3pq square we are writing here. 7pq plus 7pq plus 5. So 2 minus 3 we have to, opposite signs are there, we have to subtract. So p square minus q square greater than symbol we have to write minus 3 plus 4. Here also we have to do the subtraction. So we will get 4pq. Greater sign is plus, so I have put plus. Plus 4 plus 5 we have to add it 9. So hence the sum is p square q square minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. So let us go to the fourth question. L square plus n square comma m square plus n square comma n square plus L square 2LM 2MN 2NL. Let us write column wise. It becomes our work easy to add L square plus M square. Now in the second, m square plus n square, so I have written in the new column. The third one is n square L square, so I have written n square L square, I have written under the same column. Then these are totally different, so I have written separate 2LM 2MN 2NL. Now we have to add L square plus L square 2L square, m square plus m square 2m square, n square plus n square 2n square, 2LM 2MN 2NL. Now my dear students, by saying this you may feel that let us modify something, because everywhere 2 is common, we can take the 2 outside. So we have to write, hence the sum is, by taking 2 outside, what are left out? We have to put the bracket 2 outside, L square M square N square plus LM MN NL. Hope you understood how to add the expressions. Thank you dear students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin Mathematics Algebraic Expression and Identities exercise 9.1 question number 4. Dear students, here one thing you have to remember that subtract from. The word from is very important. Then they did not mention how to subtract. So it's very easy, you have to subtract column wise. If we subtract column wise, it's better. Now 12a, so we have to start from, word is more important. Solution, let us take down 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So the second we have to take down 4a. Under the same column we have to write 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Then you have to change the sign. The next step is changing the sign. If it is plus, you have to put minus, minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So 12 minus 4, 8a, 9 minus 7, 2ab, 5 minus 3, 2b. Then here minus minus it become plus, so minus 15. Answer is over. So the difference is 8a. You have to conclude the answer. 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Then one more thing. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from, the word is very important, from 5xy minus 2yz 2zx plus 10xyz. So let us take down from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So take down 3xy minus 5yz minus 7zx. There is no xyz in this equation. So then let us keep it blank. As I told you, now you have to change the sign. Plus became minus, plus became minus, minus became plus. If there is no sign, it indicates plus. So 5 minus 3, 2. After changing the sign, you have to concentrate on the changed sign. Minus minus, we have to add it when we have the same sign, 7yz. Then minus plus, we have to subtract. So greater value sign we have to put plus 5yz plus 10xyz. Now let us go for the third one. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 3p minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now let us take down how we are going to. See my dear students, here one thing you have to keep them in a proper order. So we are going to put it in a proper order, that is like a like term. So I am going to order wise the square powers. So 5pq square I have put in the beginning, minus 2pq square from the second equation, plus 5pq minus 11q minus 3p plus 18. From that, the same way, let us choose from the second equation 4pq square plus 5pq square minus 3pq plus 7q minus 8p minus 10. Now, the next is you have to change the sign. Plus became minus. Here no sign. Do not forget to change the sign. Minus, plus became minus, became plus, plus became minus, minus became plus. So 5, 4, if we subtract, we will get pq square. Then minus, minus became plus. When the same sign are there, we have to add it. Plus, plus became 8pq. Minus, minus, we have to add it. 18q. Plus 5p plus 28. Dear, you can think over that why we have to change the sign. That is more important. Let me show you here why we have to change the sign. Why we have to change the sign? Because when we are going to write first 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. This is one set equation. Then minus, then I am going to put the bracket. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Here, to remove this bracket, why we are changing this sign? I have done directly. Now at the end I am showing you why we have to change this sign. Why? Because now we have to subtract from this equation to this equation. When we taken down horizontally, we are main is subtraction. So it become, to remove the bracket minus 4a. So it has come then minus minus became plus, so it has come plus 7ab, minus plus it has become minus 3b, minus plus it has become minus 12. So instead of this step, we are skipping this step. This is very important. We are skipping this step. We are adopted that when we have to subtract, we have to change the sign. This is the reason every time we are changing the sign. Hope you understood why we have to change the sign when we are subtracting. So enjoy the subtraction of algebraic equation. Let us go for wait for the next video. The important video will be updated very soon. Thank you.